Do you want to know how you can sign up for a Threads app from your mobile device? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for a Threads app. Open the Threads app and then you can click on Switch Profile. You can click on any of the profile which you have not opened the Threads with. Now, you can go ahead and click on your name, bio, and then you can write about yourself in the bio. Go ahead and fill authentic content for your audience to look at. After you're done, press the tick button on the top, and then you can change your profile picture or you can make your account private or public. You can go ahead and follow the people which are shown there. You can follow your people, your friends, and then if you are done, press on the next button on the top right. After reading this content, press on Join Threads, and congratulations, you're into Threads now. This video was about how you can sign up in Threads. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.